guys, welcome back to another chop video, and today I'll be showing you how to cook white rice. Get an non-stick pot and measure 3 cups of white rice. Next, you're gonna wash the rice until the water is clear. When the water is clear enough, drain it off the rice. Add 4 cups of water to the pot of rice. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt to the pot and stir. Put the burner on high or max. Add some thyme to the pot. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil. When the water starts to boil, make sure you stir the rice thoroughly. Add about a tablespoon of butter. Ensure you watch the pot at this moment because it boils over easily. If the pot starts to boil over, remove the pot cover for a few seconds, then cover it partially. When the rice grains are visible, put the burner on medium. Ensure the pot is covered completely. When you can no longer see any water in the pot, put the burner on low or minimum. Allow the rice to steam for 20 minutes and do not remove the pot cover during this period. When all the rice grains are soft, remove the pot from the burner. There you have it guys, white rice.
Oh my god! Wow!
Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm out.